Most tools still struggle with weird motion, characters changing randomly, audio not matching visuals. But today, I'm testing something different, a powerful new AI video tool called Seedance 2.0 by Higgsfield. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use it, how to create cinematic AI videos, how to keep the same character across scenes, and how to generate audio and video perfectly synced. By the end, you'll be able to create your own multi-scene AI video like a pro. So first, what exactly is this tool? Seedance 2.0 is an advanced AI video generation model available on the Higgsfield platform. The best part is no downloads and no software install. It works directly in your browser. Just go to their website, sign up, and you're ready to go. Quick note, this is not a mobile app, desktop only. Now here's where things get interesting. You're not limited to just text prompts thanks to multimodal input. You can combine images, videos, audio, and text all in one generation. Unlike other AI tools, movement looks natural and objects interact properly. No weird morphing glitches and even complex actions look surprisingly real. It also generates audio with video in sync, including voiceovers and sound effects. It can handle lip sync across languages and background music too. Before we go further, quick heads up, this tool is not free. It works on a credit system with different plans offering different credits. Choose based on how much you plan to create. Once you log in, you'll land on your workspace. Go to Video, then Seedance 2.0 to start. Here you'll see your previous creations, generation settings, and the prompt editor. Let's start simple with a basic prompt. Example: prompt a man fishing on a calm ocean with the rod bending and something big on the line. Click Generate, and in under a minute you get a video. The result is clean, simple, and a single shot which reduces errors. Now let's level up with a multi-shot cinematic prompt. Add camera angles, close-ups, dialogue, and scene cuts in the prompt. The result is a full cinematic sequence generated from one prompt. Even with powerful AI, mistakes happen like wrong equipment or duplicate objects. The fix is to refine your prompt with more detail. Here's a pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write detailed prompts. Tell them write a detailed AI video prompt under 2,500 characters. Now you can literally put yourself inside the video using the element system. Upload your photos, create a character, and use @your name in the prompt. Boom, you're in the AI scene with the same face across shots. Elements allow you to create characters, locations, and props, then reuse them anytime. This gives you full control like a director. You can also translate videos into multiple languages and change voice styles. Download clips and upscale to 4K as needed. Let's take it further with an image-to-video example. Upload an image, write a prompt where a person walks to the door, opens it, and enters a magical world. The result is a cinematic transformation from static image to dynamic story. Before uploading images, use the eligibility checker to avoid copyright issues. Do not upload copyrighted characters or celebrities. Best to use your own photos. This tool is